Today with me, I have this electric stand mixer by Hamilton Beach. This was sent to me through Amazon Vine, and I'm going to be showing you some of the things I like about this mixer and how it works. First off, it has this really nice classic look with the powder coated black finish. This button right here controls the mixer head, so when you press it, the mixer head tilts up, and that allows you to easily access the bowl or change the attachments. So it comes with a 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl and 3 different attachments. First, we have this flat beater. This is usually the attachment you would use for things like cake batter or cookie dough. So to install it, you'd simply push it in, push it all the way up, make sure the knob is aligned with the hole, and then twist it to lock in place. Once the attachment is installed, you can simply push the mixer head back down toward the bowl and you're ready to start mixing. Removing the attachment is just as easy, so you push it up, align the knob with the hole again, and then simply pull it down. Next, we have one of my favorites, the dough hook. So this is great for making bread or pizza dough, and the process to attach it is exactly the same. You push it in, align the knob with the hole, and twist it to lock it. And then do the same thing again to pull it down. And lastly, we have the whisk, which works really well for things like whipping cream, eggs, or lighter mixtures. So one of my favorite things about these attachments is that when installing or removing them, you can hold the attachments right at the top. So that way you're not touching the part that actually mixes the dough or the batter. So we'll quickly go through all 3 attachments and you'll see that they're all designed in such a way that you do not have to come in contact with the main attachment. Now for the stainless steel bowl, it also has to be positioned a certain way. So at the bottom, you'll notice these small ridges that need to align with the ones on the base of the mixer. Once they line up, you place the bowl in and then turn the handle to lock it in place. This mixer also comes with a pour shield, which helps when adding ingredients while the mixer is running, and it also reduces splatter. So as I mentioned earlier, this mixer has 12 different speeds, so you can start slow when combining ingredients and then increase the speed depending on what you're mixing. Overall, this seems like a really practical mixer for everyday baking, especially if you're making things like cookies, cakes, or dough at home.